In this video we are going to see how to create a parallax that is going to move in all four directions. Now this is going to be the first parallax. It is moving from left, and the second one is right, and the third one is going to be top, the fourth one is going to be bottom. Fine. So these are the parallax which we are going to create, not from scratch. We'll be using the JavaScript plugin which is called simple parallax. Just search for it, and this is the link which you will get. You have to download the CDN. I have downloaded it and on my PC, and I'm going to use it. Now let's start this from scratch. The first thing, let me create HTML file which I'm going to name it as demo.html, and the second one is going to be demo.css. Now let's open the template. Just click on exclamatory enter, and you got the required template. Now what I need is, I need a section, and then h2, some heading, simple parallax tutorial, of course with source code. Now we need paragraph, lorem ipsum, which is going to be of 160 text, alt x, alt z. Now the parallax section div with class parallax bg, and then we have image, and I have placed 4 images download from the pixel.com. I'll leave the link in the description. Just start with it, and I need a class parallax image 1. Now h3, and let's name this as left. Cool. I just need to copy this 3 more times, just removing the heading, and the image name is going to be different, and the class name as well. This is going to be third one, rename it, and then fourth one. Cool. Now let's get into the CSS. So let's attach the CSS first. Link tag href demo.css. Now if I show you, this is how it looks. So I have used the font, Google font. Let me copy it and paste it. This is the Google font Poppins, and for all the element I have removed padding and margin, and I have used for all element the font family is going to be Poppins. Now section is going to have padding of 100 pixel on all sides, and then we have h2 font size. You can have whatever you want. Let me make this 3 em, and text align center. Cool. Now let's style the parallax div, parallax bg. Height is going to be 500 pixel, width let it be 100%, and I want overflow hidden so that it doesn't go out of 500 pixel. Cool. Now inside parallax bg we have image. Let's make the width of as 100%, and that's it. Now inside the parallax bg again we have h3. First let's position it as absolute, then get into the container, and we'll use display flex align item center so that we can place the h3 at the center of the div. Justify content center. Now you can see it would be on the center of the image. You can see it's there, but it's not available. It's not visible. So let's increase the font size as 3 em, and let's give the background as black, and then the color as white. Let's increase the padding. Top bottom on all sides, let's make this 10 pixel. Cool. Left, I have not changed the text, so this is left, and then we have right, then we have up, and then we have down. So that's it for the HTML and CSS. Now it's time for the JavaScript. It's very simple. We have to call the images. So let's see the documentation. We have to call the what do you call? We have to call the image, and then we have to create the object of the simple parallax. So you can see, let's call the image. So before that, we have to link the file. I have downloaded this. You can see simple parallax, it's in the same folder. So let me copy it from here, then target the image. I have given the class 1 2 3 4, so this is the first one. Let me save this as into a variable. Now we have to create the object. Cool. Once this is done, it should work. No, we have to pass another parameter, and it's going to be the orientation, colon. I need to pass a string left. Now you should see it's working. The same way, copy paste this 4 times and change the name appropriately. This is second one, this is third one, this is fourth one. Now just properly place it. Now this is left, then we need a right, and for the third image it is going to be up, and the fourth image it is going to be down. So these are the parameters which we can use, and that's what we have done it. Let's try up left, refresh this. Cool. I think up left is not working. What is left? Let's try left right. Left right is not working. Cool. Now that's all for this video. Thank you so much for listening.